Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a small business owner using QuickBooks, this video is a must-watch. Today, I'll be sharing 10 QuickBooks tips every small business owner should know to help you get the most out of this powerful tool. And remember, after you're done watching, make sure to check out the video description below. I've included some valuable resources to help you continue your QuickBooks journey. Whether you're looking for detailed guides, recommended apps, or additional training options, it's all there to support your growth. So, let's dive in and get started with these top QuickBooks tips. A clean, organized chart of accounts is the backbone of accurate bookkeeping. Take some time to customize your categories to match your business's unique needs. This way, you'll not only understand where your money is going, but also be prepared for tax time. One of the first things you should do in QuickBooks is connect your bank accounts. By syncing your accounts, you're ensuring that every transaction, every dollar spent or earned is tracked automatically. This helps avoid the dreaded end-of-month bank statement scramble. Tags are a simple yet powerful way to get deeper insights. For example, if you're running a campaign or have a major client, add a tag to those transactions. Later, you'll be able to filter and analyze that data quickly. Have monthly expenses like rent or subscriptions. Automate them. QuickBooks lets you set up recurring payments so you don't have to enter them manually every time. Invoicing is key to cash flow. QuickBooks allows you to set up automatic reminders so clients are gently nudged to pay on time. This little feature can make a huge difference in your monthly cash flow. Custom reports can reveal powerful insights. You can create reports to see your top-performing products or your most profitable customers. With this information, you can make better business decisions and target your efforts where they matter most. Tracking mileage is essential for business owners who travel for work. QuickBooks makes it easy with a built-in mileage tracker. Every mile counts, and these deductions add up. Reconciling your accounts each month is a must to stay on top of your finances. When you reconcile, you're matching transactions to your bank statements, ensuring no errors or duplicates. A little time each month keeps everything accurate. QuickBooks has a ton of integrations that can help streamline your workflow, from receipt capture tools to expense tracking apps. Find the ones that match your business needs and let them do the heavy lifting. And finally, remember you're not alone. QuickBooks has a ton of resources available, including support, tutorials, and even a community of users who can answer questions. Thanks so much for watching. I hope these 10 QuickBooks tips give you new ways to simplify and strengthen your bookkeeping. If you found these insights helpful, please like the video and consider subscribing for more QuickBooks and business finance tips. And don't forget to check out the video description below. I've included valuable resources to help you keep building your QuickBooks skills, from in-depth guides to tools and additional training options. These resources can make a real difference as you continue your journey. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.